Welcome to another installment of the ROP Shop's Rugged U how-to videos. Some of the toughest conditions for both outdoor power equipment and power sport vehicles is traveling through mud in the spring and fall, or snow in the winter. One of the best ways to avoid getting stuck is by using tire chains. Today, we will show you how to install your tire chains and tensioners from the ROP Shop. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is double check your tire chain size before ordering from our website. Some of our tire chains can be used on multiple tire sizes. However, ensure that the exact size of your tire appears on the listing for our tire chains. If you are not sure which chains are best for you, you can call, email, or chat with us through our website and we'll help you select the best fitment for your unit. Once you're ready to install your tire chains, set up your lawnmower, snowblower, or ATV in a place where you can easily move the unit back and forth without hitting obstacles. Be aware of what surface you are working on, since the chains can cause damage to some surfaces. Have your brake or hydrostat engaged until you are ready to move the unit. Lay the chains out behind your unit's tires. It is quicker and easier to install two adjacent tires at the same time, but it can be done one at a time as well. Be sure the chain is set up so that when it surrounds the tire, the link ends that go around the sides of the tire will not dig into the sidewall. The ends of the cross chain hooks should be facing outward when they are on your tires. This means as they are lying on the floor, the hooks should be facing the ground. Additionally, you will want to make sure that the adjustable hook will be on the outside end of your equipment's tires. To do this, you can begin by simply laying out your tire chains identically with the chain fasteners on the outside end. Then, for the pair of chains that currently has the adjustable hook on the inside, take them and rotate them around. This keeps the chain sides facing outward to protect the tire walls and put the adjustable hook link on the outside of the tire for your installation. Make sure that the hook will not end up under the tread of the tire when you roll the unit over them. Untangle the chains, ensuring there are not any twists. Check each section between the cross chains. Take your time during this step. Check your setup. Make sure the hooks won't end up under the treads when you roll your machine over them. Disengage your brake or hydrostat and put your unit into neutral to allow your unit to roll. For safety reasons, it is suggested that you do not drive over the chains when possible. If you must drive over the chains, take it slow and easy. Roll your unit backward until it is about 3/4 of the way backed over the chains you laid on the ground. Stop and adjust as needed. After rolling your machine into place over the chains, release about 10 psi of air pressure from the tire. This will make the installation easier and helps to ensure a snug fit. Take the corners of the chains under the mower and, keeping the chains from twisting, pull them up and over the tire until they drape on the other side. Ensure that the chains are centered on the tire so that the ends of the cross chains hit at the same spot on the inward and outward facing sides of the tire. Tuck the first cross chain, that is the one on the end without the fastener and hook, underneath the tire. Pull the inner chain tight and fasten the hook. To secure the outside, pull the chain tight and thread the fastener all the way through one of the rim links on the opposite end. You will then rotate the fastener back 180 degrees and secure it to the rim link on the same end that the fastener came from. Check the tightness of the rim chains. They should be as tight as you can make them by hand. If they seem loose, adjust them as necessary. We recommend beginning by loosening the outside latch but keeping it connected to the link you initially threaded it through. Then, adjust the inside hook as needed before returning to the outside and resecuring the latch. Reinflate your tires back to factory specifications to provide a snug fit. Once you have installed all of the chains, slowly drive your unit for 30 or 40 feet. This will work out any unseen kinks in the chains and allow the chains to settle. Drive slowly to protect against the chains falling off. Reassess the chains for any needed adjustments. Finally, when you are satisfied with the chain fit, use wire or heavy-duty twist ties to tie back extra chain links. If the chains will be used again on the same unit, season after season, you have the option of cutting off the slack with bolt cutters. However, leaving the extra links on the chains will give you some play in case you replace your unit with something that has slightly larger tires. Here's an example of tire chains that are riding too loose to the tire. This can cause problems while driving and potentially harm you or your equipment. If you have properly installed your chains, they should fit snugly to the tire as seen here. If you purchased our spring tensioners, attach them now. Simply connect the hooks to 4 opposing links on the rim chain to form a cross shape over the tire. These tensioners will increase the pull on your chains and decrease the risk of them coming loose. Our tire chains can be purchased with or without tensioners. We also sell tensioners separately if you need them. If any cross chain breaks in the future, you will need to remove, repair, or replace the broken chain. Do not continue to use your tire chains if a cross chain is broken. Also, remember to maintain proper air pressure in your equipment's tires. We hope this video has been helpful as you install your new tire chains and tensioners. A printable version of these instructions can be found with your shipping materials and on our website's Rugged U page. Thanks for watching and enjoy your tire change.